Hey guys, I'm James. Welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm going to talk to you real quick about the 5 guns I like to bring to the range. First and foremost, I like to bring this Colt Python. It has a 6-inch barrel chambered in .357 Magnum, which also allows me to shoot 38 through it. It is a great gun for anybody looking to learn to shoot because of the really nice trigger squeeze and the super heavy barrel, which really dissipates that recoil. Moving on from that, we have a Staccato XC. This gun is a 1911 on steroids. It is a double stack magazine, so you're getting double the rounds you're getting out of the single stack original platform. And with this integrated comp right here in the front, it keeps this muzzle completely flat when you're shooting it. It is a dream to shoot. This right here is my duty weapon. This is a Glock 45 with a Trijicon RMR and a Surefire X300 light on it. This is an incredible gun that's really durable, really rugged. A lot of military and law enforcement agencies use this, which I guess makes it the ultimate problem solver. Right here is one of my daily carries. This is a CZ PO1 from the factory in OD green. I just think it makes it look super cool. What I love about this gun is it's in a super small, what we would consider a compact frame, but it's also got a lot of weight to it because it's a steel frame gun. So for people looking to get into the concealed carry world or anything like that, I started a lot of my family on this gun. Last but not least is my Mark 18 retro build. What I did is I took a Mark 18 complete upper from Daniel Defense and I put it on a Radian lower. What's different about this than a standard Mark 18 is that this Radian lower allows me to have a fully ambidextrous gun. So I really like taking this to the range. It keeps the AR-15 platform, which is normally about 16 inches, into a much smaller platform. I've also added a OSS Helix suppressor onto it, which allows it to shoot extremely flat. Thank you so much for tuning into my 2-Minute Tuesday and what I like to bring to the range. We carry them all at either of our locations, either in North Texas or down in San Antonio, and any other information can be found at missionridgerange.com.